What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to buy some coin on Binance. So first of all, before you buy any coin, the first thing you need to actually do is to come to Google and enter the name of the coin you want to buy. So in this case, some coin. Then you enter coin markets cap, so that way you can go ahead and read more information about the coin. So once you are here, as you can see over here on the Google's first page, the first result over here, just click on it to check more info about the coin. So as you can see right now, the coin is actually booming. Actually, it's one of the coin you can actually purchase right now because it's really booming. Okay, so now when you come down here, you can read more info about the coin. As you can see, you have the chart over here. Here's the chart. Okay, then you can just adjust the dates, probably all time, 1 year, 3 months, and everything over there. So that's how you can get more info about the coin, how it's actually moving. Over here you can just come down here and read. So this is where you can see where you can actually purchase the coin. So over here, as you can see, we have it on Binance, on Bitom, FTX, KuCoin, and a few others, and many others actually, because if you click all markets, that's where you can see all available markets for this particular coin. So now, talking about how to actually purchase the coin, first of all, you need to have a Binance account, because in this video I'm going to be using Binance. So in case you don't already have Binance account, there's a link in the description for you to go ahead and sign up. So once you use the link and you actually deposit up to $100 into your Binance account, then you'll be receiving 5% cash back. So let's say, for example, you deposit $100, you're going to be receiving $5 as a welcome bonus, only if you use the link below. So now let's move on. So the first thing you need to do, let's assume you've actually created a Binance account. Open your Binance account. So let me just assume you're on the home page. So this is what you're going to see after creating your account. Okay, so over here you need to first deposit some amount of money. Let's say, for example, you want to buy probably 50 USD of some coin. Then you need to actually go ahead and deposit some money. So you can just go to deposit. As you can see over here, you can choose your payment method, how you want to pay. Let's say, for example, you want to use cash. Then enter your your currency. So let's say you are in Australia, you can click on Australian dollar, then select the payment method. Same goes for US dollar or whichever country you are in. So once you've deposited some amount of money, what you need to do now is to come to our market. Okay, come to market. So once you're on the market page, what you need to do now is now search. So here on the search, just search for Sun, right? So now there are two ways to buy some coin on Binance. The first one is using your USD balance. That is when you deposit, like using the amount of money deposited into your Binance account to purchase some coin. Or if you have BTC in your Binance wallet, probably you have some BTC, then you can just use the BTC and use it to buy some coin. So let's say, for example, you use I will be showing you how to use the both, but then let's go for USD first. So let's say, for example, you deposited some US dollars. So just click here. So once you are here, what you need to do is to actually click on buy over here. As you can see, this buy green buy button, then click on buy. So once you are here, there are three ways to actually, like, purchasing coin on Binance is actually a little bit different from other other crypto wallets. So what you need to do here is, now let's say, for example, you just want to buy at the current market price. You see this top limit over here, you need to click on it and actually change it to market. So what this means is you want to buy the coin at the current market price, regarding of what the price is. So currently the price, as you can see over here, is 36.800. okay, it's actually decreasing now. It's actually moving like that. So this place you want to buy at the current market price, then you need to enter the amount in USD that you want to buy. Let's say, for example, you deposited 50 US dollars, then you just enter 50 USD here, and then you can actually click on buy. Okay, so I can't click on buy now because I don't have enough amount of money on my Binance wallet currently. So once you click on buy over here, then you actually purchase the coin. Okay, that's how to purchase the coin. So the other method you can use, okay, Binance give you some other things that you can do, that you can actually explore on this wallet. So what you need to do is Instead of clicking markets here, if you don't want to purchase at the current market price, let's say for example the current price is, as you can see over here, is 36.788 right now. Then if you, let's say for example you want to wait for the coin to actually reach maybe something like $35 before you purchase the coin, then click on this market. Then as you can see over here, you have limits. Then you enter the limit you want. Let's say for example 36.5 or something. So this actually means whenever the coin reaches the amount you enter here, whenever the coin reaches that price, then it's only buy the coin at that time. Then let's say for example you want to buy probably 0 point, probably let's take let's say one Sun coin. So that means whenever the coin reaches 36.5, it's actually going to help you purchase 1 unit of it. So that's actually how that limit works. Okay, so those are the 2 things you really need to like know for now. Okay, there are other features you can actually explore probably later when purchasing some coin on Binance. So another thing you can actually do, let's say for example you deposited in probably Australian dollar or some other currency. What you can actually do is to come to markets, then you come to BTC first, right? Come to BTC. So just enter BTC over here. So this is another method you can actually use. Okay, so this is what you can actually say. Let's say for example you deposited in probably Indian rupees. So let's just search. I'm not really sure. I think it's rupee, or I don't really know the unit. I think it's INR. I'm not so sure. Okay, but then let's say you deposited in Nigerian naira. Okay, as you can see over here, just enter the unit of whatever currency you deposited in. So let's say Australian dollar, then you have to type AUD. As you can see over here, we have it. So after you've now entered the currency, then you click on, let's take for example Australian dollar now. So what you need to do is you can't buy this Sun coin directly using any other currency apart from USD, except if you are going to use it to like, if you are going to purchase it using Bitcoin. So now let's take for example you've deposited some money and now you want to purchase the coin. What you need to do is to first go and purchase Bitcoin, which is what I'm about to do now. So once you've entered the BTC over here, then you need to enter slash whatever currency you paid in, you deposited in. And let's say for example now you deposited in AUD, Australian dollar. Then just enter AUD over here, click on the option at the top, then click on buy. And just like I showed you earlier, then you can now enter the amount of Bitcoin as well. So you can just purchase at the current market price, enter the amount in USD of Bitcoin that you actually want to purchase. So let's say 50 AUD. Let's take for example I deposited 50 AUD. Then I can just enter 50 in here, buy BTC, then come back as I showed you guys earlier. Okay, then come back and enter Sun. Then go to Sun slash BTC. So over here is when you can now actually purchase your Sun coin using your Bitcoin. Okay, using your Bitcoin wallet. So then come over here, enter the amount in BTC of Sun coin that you actually want to purchase. Then after entering it, you actually click on, let's say for example I want to purchase 0.005 or something. Then you just click on buy Sun over here, and you automatically see the money inside of your Sun coin wallet. So that's how to like purchase that's how to buy the Sun coin cryptocurrency. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and also if you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. See you in another video.